What's up, guys? You know who it is, your boy JP the Install Guy, hoping to make your install life a little bit easier. Today we have a 2009 Jeep Wrangler, and I'm going to show you guys how to run some wires through the firewall. Those type of things that you're into and you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. This is what we do. Anything car audio install related, that's what the channel is about. And from time to time, I would like to share my car audio knowledge, so whether you're a beginner or advanced, this channel just might be for you. So this was actually going to be pretty easy. With the Jeep Wranglers, they have a little, they got a little grommet right over here. That part right there, there's already a slit in it. On some of the Wranglers, it's a little higher up. I wouldn't try to go through here, because even though this is a grommet, it's just going to take you into this part, and I don't want you guys having a hard time. So as you can see, there's this big old hole, and I think there's some type of sound dampening material or something. We're just going to slit that right down the middle and then stick our power wire right through there. And we're just going to take our wire pulling tool and stick it right there. So now that we're through, we're going to go ahead and tape that power wire to the other end, and then we'll just pull it straight through. Alright, so we have that ran down through there, and I just have this zip tied along the factory wiring right over here. Got the fuse holder mounted right here, and we just going straight to the battery, and it's also zip tied. If you guys need fuse holder or fuses, I will have all those parts in the description, along with the amp kit and all that type of stuff as well. About it for this video. I actually have the amplifier mounted right below the seat. If you guys want to actually see how to install an amp from front to back, I will have links for all that stuff in the description. I do want to take this time to shout out to all those Patreons. You guys go the extra mile supporting me in the channel, so I'll make sure I go the extra mile supporting you by giving you some of those behind the scenes footages, and that's where I'm using to give my one-on-one coaches and teachings. So if you found any type of value, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment if you want to. Till next time, it's your boy JP signing out. Y'all have a blessed day.